we have today, as of today, from 2019 till now, we have commissioned 9 flyovers. 9 flyovers. By December, we'll commission the 10th flyover. By February next year, we'll commission 11th and 12th flyover. I came here, Chief Awuse said, I have done Sergeant Awuse Road. I have done Rumuche-Rumakwande Road. I have done Isiodu Road. I have given them a campus of the university. I did not end there. I told them, government secondary school in Mahwa, that their own son brought down. I was going to rebuild it. Am I building it today? Am I building it today? Their own son came and brought it down. I said, I will come and rebuild it. Have I rebuilt it now? Our own is promise made, promise kept.
Yes, sir, we can.
In this local government, they had a son who was a commissioner for agriculture from Obakiri. They had no roads. Today, go and see what's happening in internal roads of Obakiri. Today, go and see Urumodogo 1 and 2, which we are going to commission soon. Go and see Ababu, Ebedia, Omudioga. Tomorrow we are commissioning that. We have done Iba Road. What do you people want me to do again that I've not done? What do you want me to do again? Have I not done well for you? Have I not done well for you? Have I not fulfilled my promises to you?
What did you do the monorail? Where did they walk you?
And therefore, I have told all of us. They say, oh, I have caused trouble. I said, what is the trouble? That they say, oh, the Niger Delta State shall account for their money. I never said so to anybody. All I said, people should thank Buhari for me, for giving me money to do all the project. That's what I said. If you will interpret it in a different way, it's your own business. Is it wrong to thank somebody who has done well for you? Does it mean you won't thank me for what I've done? That's what I said. You brought food for me here. You brought 2 what? The girls of honor don't understand the no, it's sheep. So he brought native cow, which is English cow. So to thank me, is it not? You brought yam, you brought bags of garlic, you brought plantain. Is that not? You brought fish. Thanking me. What are you thanking me for? For what I have done, is it not? Is it not? Is there anything wrong in that? So if I thank somebody who gave me money, is there anything wrong? Is there anything wrong? I don't understand why people play politics every time. Special guest of honor, let me thank you. Let me thank you. People may not understand. When you wanted to leave PDP, I came to your house in Abuja. I said, sir, don't leave the party. I pleaded with you. I came 2 times. Those who never meant well for this party, who will want to take control where they never sold. You want to reap where you never sold. They said, no, leave Kwankwaso to go. Who is he? Let him go. After all, I was Senate President when he was the Deputy Speaker in House of Reps. I said, no. It's an asset to the party in Kano State. Kano is very, very important for our party. Therefore, whatever it takes, Let's keep him. Let's manage him. They said, no, let him go. I said, the more the merrier. We're opposition party. We cannot continue to drive our people away. Whoever is angry, let's keep him. They said no. Oh, I went to see Kwankwaso. I said yes because I know with him and Kanu that likelihood that it will be better for us. But if we remove him or we allow him to go, the repercussion will be too heavy. They said no. Kwankwaso left out. The only thing he told me that, well, I can remain, he will not remain. I said, okay, I will stay and survive it and fight back. But let me tell you why I'm saying this today. When he was going, he told me, look, I'm going. My people who are remaining will support you. I know one thing I like in life. Forget these bogey people now. All these one bogey. They tell you one thing, yeah, before you turn, they've done a different thing. He told me, he said, look, I can assure you, those of them who are remaining in the party, those of them who are going with me will go with me. But those who are remaining, I can assure you they'll support you. And they did. And they did. And that's why we talk about integrity. Do you understand what I mean? Integrity is very, very important. Whatever you tell me, do. Whatever I don't want to do, you don't need to say you will do it. So you're a man of integrity. You are a man of integrity. It's unfortunate we're not in the same party. But God will help at the appropriate time. God will help. People like this are people that should talk about leadership of the country. Yes, I have no apologies to make to anybody. I said it to Peter when he came. And I want to also tell you that if you are coming for campaign here, I will give you the logistic support for you to campaign. You're a former governor. The difference between me and you that you are former, I'm still present. You're a former minister, I'm a former minister. So why will I not accord you all the necessary support, protocols, and logistics? Why? And when you're a governor, you perform excellently well. Everybody knows in this country. Everybody knows. That's why I'm not afraid to say I'll give you all the logistic support. I will do it. Protocol demands that I should do that. So I thank you for coming. And let them know these are people who mean well for this country. You are not preaching based on ethnicity. You are not preaching based on religion. You are selling yourself to Nigerians. Vote for what I can do. If that starts me in Kanu, if that starts me as a former minister, I have what it takes to drive this country from where we are to the next level of development. It's not to say, don't vote for a Yoruba man. Don't vote for an Igbo man. That is not what we require in this country now. What we require is a man who put Nigeria together. So I'm happy. We of the Integrity Group will continue to support whatever that is right, whatever that will help this country. And so, see Rivers State as your own. When you win too, remember us. When you win, remember us. We're all here to make sure that this election will be free and fair. We have not started full campaign. What we are doing is introduction to campaign. But what I've told our people, the only way you can disarm your opposition is to show them what you have done. Tell me who will come to Mbutango now and say don't vote for us in the state. Is it possible? No. Is it possible? No. That is difficult. Our candidates in this state, sir, don't be offended. If you have candidates here, tell them to take it easy. Because here, it's a no-go. It's a no-go. So it will be difficult. At the appropriate time, we will tell our people in the language they understand. At the appropriate time, we will speak the language our people will understand. And they will implement that language. Equals Banmeka. Equals Banmeka. Anumeka. Anumeka. And they want to say you. So it is important for all of us to know. I don't know people who stole and sold our gas turbine. People who took our plane legacy to go and hide in Germany for over 5 years. They said they want to come and be governor. Governor where? Is it possible? No she. No she. Is it possible? We allow those armed robbers to come here again? To go and sell the plane again? To go and sell the street light again? Far. So it's for River State. It's over. It's over. It is Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, who is the headmaster of their party, who is the principal of their party, who is the leader of their party, gave us a certificate that we have done too well, that nobody has beaten us. Don't be so.
That is you too much.
So now this one, now then we're going to say we have not done anything. Is it possible? Is it possible?